who's the Managing Director and CEO of Fortis Healthcare. Stellar set of numbers, sir, to start off with. Hospital margins have expanded. What's driving this improvement? Give us a sense and talk to us about sustainability of these margins.
So hospital margins have been expanding on the basis of the complexity or the case mix. So more complex cases have been done in larger numbers. Surgical cases mix is higher, and that's what is driving the RPOBs per se. And it is something which we think should moderate as we go forward.
Understood. So that's as far as hospital margins is concerned. But Mr. Raghuvanshi, if you can take us through what the patient mix trend looks like, domestic versus international, and where do you see higher growth coming in from?
So we are seeing good growth in international, about 26% growth we have seen year on year. And currently it is about 9.9% of our revenue, which is international revenue, mainly in the NCR and some in the other regions as
well. Can you also take us through how the oncology and renal services have performed, and what is the next big specialty where you're going to see some growth?
Yes, so we focus on 6 core specialties and transplants. The cardiac sciences is one of our legacy specialty, which we are known for. Other than that, we are focusing on oncology, orthopedics, renal sciences, neurosciences, and as well as on transplants. The bone marrow transplant and hematology unit is another area which we are greatly focused on. And these are the areas which we are seeing growth. Oncology, as you said, has been growing quite well. And it has become one of the largest service offerings from our side.
And again, coming back to margins, rising costs, staff, consumables, what's the outlook like of some of those factors on margins going forward?
Yes, so there is an inflation, year-to-year inflation is there. Usually we try to absorb all the costs by increasing efficiency on material management and other areas. However, some minimum price increase may be taken. Generally, our price increase in last few years has been to the tune of about 1.5%, and it is likely to remain at that level even this year. Overall, with the efficiencies and pricing, we should be able to mitigate the impact of inflation to a large extent. So the profitability levels are moderate and they should remain there at the moment.
And Dr. Raghuvanshi, also wanted your thoughts on some of your expansion plans, especially in the Greater Noida and Lucknow region. Will the focus of the company continue to be on asset-light model?
Yeah, so we have a preference for owning the P&L. We definitely are open to all different models, self-owned, company-owned hospitals, as well as managing hospitals. But our preferred mode is that we own the P&L. Noida is a facility which we have leased out. So it's in a way, you can call it as an asset-light model. However, most of our hospitals are company-owned. But within our network, we have quite a few hospitals which are leased properties and can be called asset-light as well.
We saw some improvement in the diagnostic segment for you, your margins improving there. How do you see balancing this with expansion and profitability?
Yes, so the diagnostic margin has improved, but we still have some way to go there. We expect it to do better in future. We are focusing a lot on specialized testing, especially genomics is an area of great interest. Our clinicians on the hospital side also are very involved in the development of the genetic services. And with the help of our lab services and our genetic services, we are going to increase the volume on the specialized tests a little more than on the regular tests. And that would drive the profitability of the diagnostic business further. However, having said that, we also need to grow into the retail segment, the B2C segment, and there we are opening more and more touch points, and that would drive the volumes as well. So we have seen a growth of about 8% in this quarter, but we expect that this growth should go to above double digits, and that is our aim at the moment.
And what are the latest developments you're picking up regarding the open offer? Give us a sense.
Yes, so I'm happy to say that IHH open offer stands closed as of yesterday. We have disclosed that to the stock exchanges as well. So with that, I think the overhang of the open offer is not there anymore. So most of the outstanding issues are resolved with that.
So that's the outlook when it comes to Fortis Healthcare, some of the expansion plans. Dr. Raghuvanshi, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us.